6 divided by 2 equals 3. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present. According to the rules, we have to work from left to right. So we need to solve this division first. 6 divided by 2, that gives us 3. Our expression simplifies to 3 divided by 6 divided by 2. Now we need to solve this division because that's on the left side. So 3 divided by 6, that can be written as 3 over 6. And then we have divide by 2 present from the original expression. We can see that we can cancel out this 3 and 6. It leaves us with 1 over 2. So our expression becomes 1 over 2 divided by 2, and this can be written as 2 over 1. Now we have a division operator in between two fractions. What we can do is we can use KCF rule. Keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 1 over 2 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 2 over 1 as 1 over 2. Now what we can do is we have a multiplication operator present in between. All we need to do is we can multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators to get the answer. 1 times 1 in the numerator leaves us with 1. And 2 times 2 gives us 4 in the denominator, and 1 over 4 is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.